Inera apara na bian kwa papejuno na ngosi bibi koto mopuchit loetemo kinitesa mero loko teso college aloe kanoda waisha lamikin loka suban kanwe tubela jo kan lo Esisiak koto maingito no senior na wongonet kana ikanye tape okarulo atubor aluponesa balada ebe eina kinapugan ai atakini ropito lukai mwalimun koto madoke na anu egelegela
yoga emuri ya koliai. I would like to congratulate our this and also note that their success is out of teamwork. And therefore, I also want to extend my message of congratulations to their parents, to the teachers and the non-teaching staff, to the leaders of Soroti City, and also the local leaders here in this village. And indeed, everyone who participated in ensuring that they reach that level. So congratulations, congratulations, congratulations.
And the Holy Spirit.
And I thank the school for always remembering that once you ask from God and God responds, you must again report to God in a Thanksgiving ceremony. And I am informed that this is the ceremony where we are reporting to God that what we asked when the students were due to sit for exams, the students achieved, and now we are saying thank you, God. So we would like to appeal to arts teachers to be patient with government as we resolve the issues of comprehensive enhancement of the teaching fraternity. We do care about the work that you do, and we will continue trusting your service and your patience as we continue discussing through your umbrella organization called the UNATU.
Kanuka TV East, Alexander Makeyo Kori.